Hi, I'm Alexander and today we'll talk about how far $50 can get you in our hobby if it's spent right. As some of you might have already guessed, today we'll be modding famous KPH30i headphones from Koss. KPH30i doesn't need any special introduction, it's affordable, lightweight and portable semi-open back pair of headphones with quite spacious soundstage that's ideal to use on the go or at home. For today's mod we'll need a pair of KPH30i that will set you back $30 and a pair of Grado's G cushions. Original G cushions are listed at $55, which makes this mod unreasonably expensive. So I advise you to get OEM G cushions, just don't get the cheapest ones you can find online. The OEM ones in this video cost me $15. Before we start, I need to mention that there are two types of this mod. The one that keeps the original ear pads intact and the second one that requires original ear pads to be removed. If you remove the original ear pads, you can't put them back. So the right sequence is to first install G cushions, and if you are not satisfied with the result, particularly we're talking about treble response, then you can proceed further and remove the original ear pads. Before you start, please also note that this mod changes not only the comfort of the headphone, but it also introduces the changes to the sound. To install G cushions, you need to cut it first. The cut should be limited in length, just to make sure that cable fits in the cut, so be careful and don't cut the G cushions all the way through. As you can see in my video, I made a small cut, it goes through the outer part of the bottom edge, while the inner ring of the ear pad is left intact. This is really important, so please pay attention to it. As you can see, the cut is also angled in accordance with the headphone cable connection angle and direction. If needed, you can put G cushions first, double check the angle, use white marker to highlight the cut, and then take off G cushion and cut it. When the cuts are done, gently put the G cushion on and make sure the cable and the cutout in the cushion are aligned. Then gently put the cable through the cutout. Then repeat the process for the other side. If done properly, the result should be similar to one you're seeing on your screen now. G cushions, in my opinion, have turned KPH30i into one of the most comfortable headphones I ever had, and I strongly recommend you to try this modification. And now let's talk about changes in sound. It's obvious, G cushions have an impact on the sound signature. First of all, there's a stock cutout in the middle of the G cushions, so there's only original foam in between your ear and the driver, as this cut almost completely corresponds with its size and diameter to the stock headphone driver. Also, because of the shape of G cushions, the drivers are now located further away from your ears. Unmodded KPH30i is quite a warm sounding pair of headphones, and G cushions, in my opinion, improve their tonal balance. First of all, you get more bass. Yes, you heard me right. You can actually feel the bass with G cushions now. Second change is that the treble becomes more prominent and detailed. And the third change is increased soundstage width, which is partially or completely because of the G cushion shape and size. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing to my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications about new videos. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.